Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another deck unboxing and flip through. Today we are going to take a look at a deck that kind of flew underneath my radar and I'm actually quite excited about it, but we'll see. The Mists of Avalon Oracle by Rose Inserra, illustrated by Nadia Turner. This is based on the King Arthur and Camelot. And this is published by Rockpool Publishing and it retails for $21.95. So it kind of flew under my radar, but I'm kind of excited about it because I love King Arthur and Camelot. So within the Mists of Avalon Oracle, uncover the myth of King Arthur and the Camelot story as you connect to Druidic lore and the magic of Morgan Le Fay. Be empowered by the Avalon priestesses as they speak the language of the trees in sacred groves. Feel the spiritual power of the mystic landscape of Glastonbury, revered since ancient times as a gateway to the other world. Become part of the magic and myth of Avalon. So it is 36 cards and guidebooks. So there's not a lot of cards here. So again, we'll kind of see if the $21.95 is justified. But you never know. I don't know. So we'll go ahead and take a look inside here. All right, download today. All right, ooh, pretty little insert detail. Okay, same on the back there. Okay, book. There's color-coded pages or color pages in here, which is fantastic. So let's see, introduction, how to use the card, landscapes of Avalon, mysteries of Avalon, guides of Avalon. Okay, looks like they're all different sections here. The sacred purpose of these cards is to assist your reconnection with the ancient goddess and the otherworldly realm, a mystical place called Avalon, now veiled to mortal eyes. Both Avalon and King Arthur's Camelot shared moments in time. Their union birthed something so magical that it still lingers in our hearts and souls today. Glastonbury in England is our modern-day Avalon, where we feel the mother goddess's energies in the soft, gentle landscapes and healing waters of her sacred springs. The labyrinth walks atop the great hill. The Tor is the spiritual beacon which which pierces the veils of time and space to inspire our sacred journey. These magical cards will take you on an imaginary journey to the ancient shrouded realm of Avalon, guiding you through the mists and helping you reconnect with Camelot's royal court of kings, queens, knights, mystics, and goddesses of those legendary times, now evoked in contemporary Glastonbury. Okay, let's see. I thought oh, here we go. How to use the cards. Please keep your mind and heart open as there is no definitive answer other than the gentle guidance from the energetic beings from the realms beyond. Okay, 1 card reading, 3 card reading, 5 card. Okay, and then each of the cards' meanings. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and flip through the cards because that's what we really want to see. And then after that, we'll pull a card and see what how to read from the guidebook would be like. Okay. So the back is gorgeous, really, really pretty, and it is glossy. So now I'm going to try to find an angle with my ring light that's not going to be obstructed. All right, interconnectedness, purpose, serenity, shared blessings. Okay, so there's some keywords on the cards here. All right, let's get a little bit closer here. They're beautifully illustrated. They're a little bit thin of the cardstock. They're thin, but they do bounce back. So we'll see how they shuffle, but they're pretty thin, but not delicate so far. They feel good in the hands. Very pretty. Chalice Hill. I do like that there's little keywords around and they are numbered. Ooh, Excalibur, there we go. Holy Grail. Interesting. Okay, I don't hate these. Some of them are sticking together with that gloss, so keep that in mind. Please be careful when you try to separate them. Very, very cool. And you cannot have a Camelot deck without Mr. Merlin here. Awesome. I am really enjoying the artwork here. This is reminding me of that BBC television show way back in the early 2000s. I think it was Merlin. I think it was called Merlin. Oh, that show was great. If you have not already checked it out and it's in your kind of cup of tea area, that show, I believe it's still on Netflix. But for those of you in the US, I think it's still on Netflix. If you get the chance, do try it out because it's just a campy in parts, but like it's, I don't know, I enjoyed it. Anyway, back to the cards. I do enjoy these. I think $21.95 might be a little steep for these. We'll see. I know a lot went into manufacturing the book, but the artwork is beautiful. So we'll see what the guidebook says, but it's all gorgeous. And I don't have any complaints so far. It's a unique little deck. If I'm not mistaken, I believe there's a book called Mists of Avalon. I could be wrong. This could be one of those things where I don't really know what I'm talking about. No. I think there's so many books out there about the Camelot that I might be confusing it. But anyway, shuffling really great. No complaints. They snap back and they're still really flat back to their shape, so that's fantastic. And no problem shuffling here either. Awesome. Okay, so I really like these so far. I think they're unique and different, and if you're into the Camelot sort of theme, I'll say it that way, this would be great. I think it'd be great for a beginner and for intermediate, whatever skill you are. So let's go ahead and see what this says. This is number 3. This is the Isle of Avalon for healing, renewal, mystery, rest. Okay, so let's go to number 3 here. 2. Okay, our deeper selves recall an ethereal realm where we are nourished and rebirthed, filled with the deep magic and wisdom. So the message is, you are passing through the gateway of change. Your life has been in a holding pattern for some time, and it's about to change in a dramatic way. So that you can allow new growth to come in, you must let go of old belief systems, worn out relationships, and negative self-talk. Begin by recognizing your achievements and celebrate your successes. You are about to become the very best version of you. So then it goes into explaining what this Avalon is. Avalon is a gateway into the other world where Excalibur was forged and the wounded King Arthur was taken to be healed. The card of Avalon appears where enchantment is all around you. When enchantment is all around you, but the mist that rises from its waters doesn't allow you visibility. You have no clear idea of who you truly are, where you are going, and what you want to become. You are feeling displaced and you've lost your way. To regain your sense of self, do not be self-critical and revert to your old limited beliefs. Take a moment to reflect on your achievements and how far you've come on your path to wholeness. Reflect on what unique gift you bring to your world. The magical beings of Avalon are around you to grant insight and knowledge as they encourage you to forge your own way and keep moving forward. Learn from past experiences and choose your pathway accordingly. Soon the mist will clear and you will find a sense of purpose once again. You may need to make decisions that will create consequences, but your values, ethics, and self-worth should be your compass. Your path will become more visible the more times you walk it. The Isle of Avalon is never far away. It is always accessible when you are in need of magic, nourishment, and enlightenment, and when you need to remember the essence of who you truly are and are meant to be. I am enough. Ooh, okay. I really like this. So it gives you a little bit of what the card is about, a message, what is that called? Not a manifest. A mantra, excuse me. Wow, a mantra. It gives you a mantra I am enough. That's amazing. Not only do you get like the keywords about what this card is meaning all around on the border, which is interesting and kind of fun, you get a message as well in the guidebook. It is beautiful. I think it's well put together. $21.95 may still seem a little high to some of you, especially when you're only getting 36 cards. So do keep that in mind. I happened to get mine on a sale, so I didn't pay full price. But for those of you that are looking at paying full price, I don't know. I'm on the fence of whether or not I would consider that a good retail price for it, just because it's only 36 cards. I feel like had there been a little bit more, had there been like the 45 or 52 card range, it might be a little bit easier to swallow for the price. But let me know what you think. I could be completely overstepping my bounds, but I'm always in for a bargain. But the guidebook is thorough. I think it's perfect for a beginner. I think it's perfect for any level of divination. So let me know what you think. If you own this, if you're excited about it, what you think of the artwork, what you think of the theme. If it's on your list, if you have it, let me know down in the comment section below. If this has helped you, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss a upload from me. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you are all happy, safe, and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.